Always make sure to prepare the surface well by cleaning with water and exterior wood cleaner, or by sanding the wood if cleaning is not possible. We recommend sanding up to 80 grit for siding and decking, and up to 120 grit for furniture, doors, and windows. Use raw wood cleaner to remove the sanding dust. When using multiple cans or containers, mix them together first. Stir the product for a few minutes before use. Pour the required amount of oil into a mixing container or bucket. On hot days, or for highly absorbent woods, up to 20% water can be mixed into DuroGrit to extend the working time. Use a firm bristle paintbrush, suitable for waterborne products, and maintain a wet edge to avoid overlaps. Apply evenly along the full length of the board, and avoid stopping in the middle. After spreading, smooth again with the same brush without applying new product to remove any brush marks and avoid start or stop marks. When pre-finishing siding prior to installation, it's always a good idea to back prime the siding. Let the surface dry for about 3 hours. Complete curing takes place after approximately 3 days, depending on weather conditions. For general cleaning, or for areas with heavy dirt or mold, use exterior soap. For maintenance, we recommend an annual visual inspection just after the winter season. If color has faded, apply a maintenance coat of DuroGrit.